Now I'm going to show you how you can modify the navigation bar. And that is very simple. Just double click in the component. And one of the first things that you will want to do is to modify the logo. Now, if you click in the logo, you'll have some options there, like, for example, you can change the title, and also you can upload your own image. But ideally, what you want to do is to modify the component from inside of it. So we just double click on it, and then we go to the variables section, and there you can change the title of the logo, and also you can upload your own image. If you do this, now the logo will be changed not just in the navigation bar, but also in any other place that appears, like, for example, it also appears in the footer. So ideally you should do that. Modifying the link that is in the right side of the navigation bar is very simple too. Just click on the button, and from there you can change the title. In this case, I change it to Discord, and you can also select a table icon name for this. Also, you can change some other things like the colors, and also make sure that you change these values too in the other variants of the navigation bar.